Welcome to my channel everyone, the place where you can learn networking easily. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure VTP VLAN Trunking Protocol. Let's begin. For this lab setup, I will use three switches. Before creating VTP, I will create VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Then I will configure VTP. Let's begin. Go to switch 1. Enter enable mode, config the host name, SW1 VLAN 10 Cisco VTP password VTP version. Go to the second switch, go to CLI, enter, enable config the host name SW2 VTP domain Cisco VTP password 123 VTP version. Go to third switch, go to CLI, enter, enable config host VTP mode client VTP domain Cisco VTP password 123 VTP version. See, there is no any VLAN now. Config the command terminal. Now I'm configuring trunking protocol for all switches. Interface image as internet 0/1 switchboard mode task /2 change state to up and fast internet 0/1 generate state up. Let's wait. Go to switch 1 config no. Show VLAN brief. You see?